Hello everyone, welcome to Explore CSC Knowledge. Today we are going to learn about Python comments. Python comments write with hash, and comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can be used to make the code more readable. Comments can be used to prevent execution when testing code. So I give you an example. It will give you a clear concept about the comments. So this is a comment. I just simply print hello world, run the cell, it will give you the output. Comment can be placed at the end of a line and Python will ignore the rest of the line. I will give you an example. I'm using the same example. And I'm just putting the comment at the end of the line. And Python will ignore the rest of the line. I'm run the cell, it's showing the same output. And a comment not only have to be text that explains the code, it can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. I am give you another example related to this which will be more clear to you about this comment concept. So I'm just simply print hello world, print this is another line. So I'm just commenting the first line, run the cell. It show you the second line of output because I am commenting the first line. So in this, it will show you that a comment not only have to be text that explains the code, it can also be used to prevent Python from executing code. And multi-line comments. In multi-line comments not have any syntax. To add a multi-line comment, you could use hash for each line. So I'm just give you an example. I'm using the same example. Just print how are you? I'm just using hash for multi-line comments. Run the cell. It will give you the output.